Hey guys and gals, Crag Dweller here. It's pretty early morning. Well, not too early, but anyway, hope I don't bore you again. I'm just up on the wood lot, heading up to my favorite spot to cook a little breakfast. Some bannock eggs, hopefully, if everything goes right. Obviously, there's still some snow cover out here in the woods. Crazy spring so far. Yeah, this is interesting. This giant cluster of hemlock. This piece of birch. There's birch around, but certainly wasn't growing right there. Just leaning into that crotch of that tree. It's kind of cool. I don't know how that got there. Anyway, we'll see. So, again, I hope I don't bore you too much. Just gonna get some firewood cut and split and take it from there. I remember when I was a little kid, I used to go up on those cliffs or that ledge and do some exploring, try to find little caves. It's kind of fun. Let's get a fire going. In case you're wondering, this is a Sven saw, a 21-inch Sven saw. I didn't like the red color that it comes in, so I sanded this handle part down and painted it color I like. Just in case you were wondering. So this Acme frying pan, this old one I got online. Again, if it's seasoned properly like this one, it's virtually non-stick. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I ate those 2 eggs right out of the pan, and you can look at it. It's awesome. And it doesn't weigh hardly anything. I'll be taking this on canoe camping trips for sure. Make up some bannock now. See if I can do it this time without adding too much water. That should be good. Perfect. No blueberries this time. This is essentially just whole wheat flour, baking powder, salt. I put cinnamon in there, brown sugar, and let's see what else. That's about it. Set that right there. All right. This is more like fry bread, I think. I mean, it's a little bit of oil in there as well, but yeah, basically just gonna cook that, flip it over. Brought some real maple syrup to put on top of there. That'll be good. All right. Neat thing about this pan is you can move it around the fire real easy. Bank it up if your mix is not too runny like this. You can bank it up like that. So it was supposed to rain today, and I thought maybe it would rain a little later, but it's raining. I had to throw up this tarp really quick, keep my stuff dry. Hopefully I can wait it out. I don't think it's supposed to rain that long. So in the process of setting up the tarp quick, I kind of burnt the bannock. Oh well. You know, it's not a bad thing to show failure once in a while. Not everything goes perfect. So I'll salvage what I can of that. Gotta get the fire back. Gotta get that up and going. Alright. I'll see you in a bit. It really isn't that bad. Just trying to eat around the burnt spots. This is messy. So I'm gonna eat this, what I can of it, and try to wait, excuse me, wait out this rain. If not, I will hike out in the rain. That's the way it goes, folks. Alright, it's probably gonna be the end of this video, unless something weird happens. Alright. Thanks for coming along. Hope I didn't bore you too much again. And don't always remember to bring a tarp if you get out into the woods. It's just good to have. All right. Thanks, folks.